Another one in the net. This one's smaller and it's come on my downstream rod. I changed over and I just recast it into an area where I thought there might be, and got the bite almost instantly once again. It's getting a bit windy now as well, so ain't great, but barbel are feeding, which is great. Again on the dubby. I don't show them up every time because I think you'll know by now what I'm catching on. But this one's a small one, it's probably only about 6, but it's a lovely fish. And it don't really matter, does it? Sometimes it's just catching them. Got a lot of leaves on it, a lot of weed coming downstream, but there we go, nice little fish. Put up a great fight as well for a small one. They all count, don't they? Stunning little fish. Right, hopefully there's more updates. That was only about another 45 minutes probably. Hopefully there's more to come.